All right, this is Funk number 49 by the James Gang, Joe Walsh on guitar. We got this intro to start it out. We got... Okay, so let's look at what we had there. We had a bend on the 7th fret of the G string. So underneath that 7, we have the 8 on the 2nd string. Take that bend down, do a little bend on that 5 over there. So we got... Then we're going to bend that 7. And we're going to have like 3 bends where we go down. So... And they each one kind of go from a higher space to a lower space as they go down. So it's... And then we're going to have a double pull off, 7-5-0 on the G. Same thing on the D. And then we're going to have the A bass note with the 6th fret with a little bend on it, or a little heavy vibrato kind of. That's 6 on the G string. So it's... Now here we're going to do these 7s, D, G, and B strings. And we're doing the 5s on those same 3 strings, but we're hammering into the 6, which makes like an A7 chord. So we hammer into the 6. We want to keep that finger real tall so it doesn't block the one below it. So we're still hearing that 2nd string. Okay, so it's... Now there is some kind of muted pick scratches in here, but this next thing is going to be... So we hammer in the 9 on the D and the 8 on the 2nd string there. At the same time, go back here to this D chord here. So once again, we got... Okay, so I go up here, and I like to go back to this finger because it lets me get that last riff easier. Okay, so this is the A part then of the song. Is like, and you can do your A bass on this if you want, or you could just do just those 3 strings. I'm gonna do the A bass with it. So we have some chicks in between, like I say, chicka chicka. And on that one, you might just hit 2 before that little thing. Same on that one. And then at the end there, you can either use your thumb over here and get that 5, that A bass, or kind of hit your A bass string there. So when you get the kind of little bit of an A bass there at the end of that kind of phrase. So once again, our main riff is going to be the 3 and 4 and... See how it's kind of like a boom, bottom at the end, just kind of add some bass flavor there. So then our next riff, the B riff, is going to be... Okay, so we did that like 4 times. We do it 2 times to set up a verse, and then we do 2 times with the verse, and then we move on to the riff. And the riff is 7-5 on the D, 7-5-3 on the A. So you could pull that first one off. 3-5 on the big one. A couple muted hits. Power chord on that A. So 2, 3, and... Now that one does not have the chord. And then we're going to do it again. And then we're going to jump up 2 frets, 9, 7. So it's the same exact stuff. We got 9, 7, 9, 7, 5, big 5, 7, and the B power chord. Okay, so let's try that one. 3 and 4 and... No chord that time, and then... We're going to end on that E7 sharp 9, so we can do the big open E. 7, 6, 7, 8. It's kind of like that Jimi Hendrix kind of Purple Haze chord. Okay, so it ends with... And then we're back to our main riff. The only time I would suggest not really hitting that A bass is when you get up here. Because you want that kind of clean, and that's going to a D chord. Okay, then we're gonna get back into the riff. Let's try the riff. 3, 4. And taking it up. Okay, so that time, after the second riff, the big riff section, we do this main A riff one time, and then there's a big drum breakdown. So we got drums for a long time, and then it finally comes back into a quick little solo. It's like, kind of slide into that A bass. Can hit like the bottom couple strings on that fives down there. And then we have like a double, it's kind of a quarter step or maybe half step bend. And that's the fives on the second and third strings. I'm gonna go to that open G string because we're gonna jump up here to a higher phrase. And then we have this downward bend on the 13 on the second string. And then a quick 13-10, so it's... And then it's kind of like a... And then it's almost like a little half of downward bend on that 7 with the A bass. Kind of goes to that 5 there. So the whole thing be like... And then we're just going to have the D. We're not going to have that little thing before it this time. So it's... Okay, so we kind of had the little breakdown there, and we have a couple times that A riff. We're back to the B riff. Let's try that one more time. The big riff. 3, 4. Okay, and it just kind of repeats that and fades out. So that's funk number 49, James Gang, Joe Walsh. Once again, let's look at that intro. Okay, then the other breakdown, once again, is like... All right. Thanks a lot for watching. Got to page your tabs. Talk to y'all soon.